In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a white background in Photoshop 2024. This is a common task that many photographers and designers need to know, whether you're looking to create clean images for an online store, enhance the focus on your subject, or simply give a fresh look to an artwork. Let's dive into the simple steps to achieve this professional look. To begin with, you'll need to open Adobe Photoshop 2024. If you haven't already, go ahead and launch the program on your computer. With Photoshop open, you're ready to create a new project. Navigate to the File menu and click on New. In the dialog box that appears, you're going to set up your canvas. For a crisp and professional appearance, set the resolution to 300 dpi, which ensures high quality results. And here's a key tip. Make sure your canvas background is set to white instead of transparent. This will give you a solid, clean space to work with and will be crucial for our project today. Just confirm your settings and hit Create. Now that you have your white canvas ready, it's time to add the subject or the image you want to work with. To do this, you can either drag and drop your image file directly onto the Photoshop workspace, or, if you prefer, use the File menu and choose Open to locate and select your file. Once your subject is on the canvas, you might need to resize or position it depending on your vision for the image. To do this, simply use the transform controls. You can adjust the size by clicking and dragging the corners while holding the Shift key to maintain proportions. Place your subject just where you want it on that pristine white background. Now, one important thing to note here is that the white background helps your subject pop by providing contrast, which makes for a more visually appealing image. If your subject has a background that you'd like to remove, you can utilize the Select menu and try tools like the Object Selection tool or the Magic Wand to isolate your subject effectively. These tools are designed to help you refine the edges and ensure your subject stands out against the white backdrop seamlessly. And there you have it. With your subject neatly integrated into the white canvas, you've created a professional-looking image that's perfect for a range of uses. Whether you're finalizing it for print or digital purposes, this simple guide ensures you have a clean and polished result. Don't forget to save your work frequently, ensuring that all adjustments are preserved. Happy designing, and remember that practice makes perfect in mastering these Photoshop skills.